Well, let's see how this thing came out. Looks pretty clean. I think it's going to be fine. There. All right, let's get to hosing this off. I installed the jets already. As you can see, they're in here. There's one right there, there, and there. Forgot to turn the camera on when I installed them in. But you can see this came out pretty clean. I didn't have to do a lot of brushing on it or anything. Just wiped it off and threw it in the cleaner again and left it there a couple more hours. This is just extra gasket material here, but primaries and secondaries are pretty good. They cleaned up pretty good. This is the lid. The lid came out okay. Here's the ventures. Here's this other piece here, still wet. I gotta dry these out, let them just air dry. These you don't want to bend these rods here, these metering rods. Some deteriorated gasket material there. So all right, let's get back to putting this thing together. Right on the wrong way, so they will get tight on you. Here's the I don't know what they call these butterflies, but that's how that goes in. I have the two front ones in already, and these will just drop in right here. They're supposed to drop right in. Let me try this one on this side here. There we go. See what I mean? This goes to the side, that goes to the other side. There. We're almost done. Let me get these 8 screws in place, and we'll get ready to put the metering rods and the lid. Oh, the floats as well. The floats and the pump. Goes in. Check ball, and this little square piece goes in. Put a little bit of WD-40 in there. And a squirter goes in place there. That takes these two small smaller screws. That's these right here. Let's see what we have here. These you don't want to tighten too much because you will strip the casting, the aluminum casting on there. And like my friend Jeff Bradshaw from Redneck's Restorations, this is how he torques them. Click, 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 click. You don't want to over torque these. And you can see that's the wrong size, so we'll just give this a little more snug right here. Oh, sorry. Click, click. There we go. And we have that assembled already. Easy. He has a better explanation of how these things work, what the primary ventures, what the secondary ventures do, how these flaps work, where the fuel atomizes. Check out his channel, Redneck Restorations, This Old Truck. Learned a lot from him. Kit came with the new pump and spring, so we'll put that in there. Here's the old one. Here's the old pump. It also came with the new square piece and that check ball right here. We'll just save those, use them on something else. Let's see if it squirts. You can see something come out of these right here. There we go, you see that? Look at that. Alright, we know it's going to work. Okay. This pump actually goes through here. So we're not ready for that yet. Okay. Pivot assembly. Okay, let me check out these floats again. They should be fine. Let me see what else we got back here. Okay, the jets, springs in here. Let's try this again. Ah, see, now that goes in. Let's see if we could get a squirt in here. Oh yeah, it's squirting all right. Okay, let's start bolting these down back here. There's two long ones. I need to figure out where the two long ones go. I think they go in the back. Oh, we'll find out. I'll put that in the front right there. This one goes, this is for the manual choke. I'll leave that on there. I better not take it off. I'm not going to put no manual choke on it. So you can see that's in. didn't clean these right here. Didn't want to lose them or anything like that, so just put them on back the way they came out. Oh, see, that's what I'm talking about right there. You don't want to bend the point or the sharp end on that metering rod, because then it'll really be missing. Okay, there we go. There we go. That's it. Okay, that one's still good. There, metering rods are in place. Accelerator pump and rod. All I need to do is put the idle mixture screws. I think I lost a spring. That's not good. Oh well, I have another one, so not to worry. And this here goes in like so. If I could zero in on it. Okay, here we go. There we go. And it goes up. And that's your choke. And we have a really small clip right here. It's gonna go right in here. There. One Edelbrock 1407 rebuilt. Gotta find another spring. I have some extras. I got a box right over there full of parts, so we'll find one. And we'll test this on the Nova. The Nova ran really good with this carburetor. 750, so we'll see how it works. I'll find the spring for this. If I don't, I will let you know. Thanks for watching. Told you I'd find it. Here it is. It was on the floor. So here we go. Back to this. Let's see. Okay, that's snug. That's snug. Then let's see. 1, 2, 2, 2.5. There we go again. It's ready. This is my fuel inlet. I am going to take all this Teflon out of here. I did not put that in there. This is for the breather, or not the breather, the vacuum. for the PCV valve. Hills are the extra parts that we got left over. I don't know about these gaskets here. I think I'll need them. This is a different type of needle there. And these are extra here. Oh, this is for this right here. Alright, well, thanks again. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, comment, like, share, and subscribe.